So recently, in terms of economic growth, we saw कि quarter two GDP numbers were not that promissory, and it was being stated कि एक GDP शॉक है, एक momentary शॉक है, लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए इसके इम्पैक्ट नहीं देखने को मिलेंगे. So on similar lines, we are talking about क्या factors हो सकते हैं. So one again monetary policy, second is structural factors. So monetary policy में we see कि monetary policy is not directly able to curtail down the impact of supply side created inflation, जिसमें we are seeing कि food inflation is it has been sticky in nature. So we are seeing कि because of again the monetary policy stance अभी recently it is at neutral stance. Neutral stance का मतलब होता है कि it reflects the flexibility that the central bank is focusing upon both inflation also and the growth aspect also. And आने वाले time में it is also an indicator कि rate cut cycle can also begin when the neutral stance is maintained by the monetary policy committee. बट हमें देखने को मिला कि एग्रीगेट डिमांड कम हो गई इकोनॉमी में बिकॉज अभी तक वी वर सीइंग कि रेपो रेट वाज मेंटेन्ड, या तो उसको इंक्रीज किया जा रहा था या इट वाज मेंटेन्ड ऑलरेडी एट अ वेरी हाई लेवल, which was directly impacting the aggregate demand because of, we can say, the cost of borrowing is increased, investment कम हुई. investment कम होने की वजह से again जो एक virtuous cycle हम बोलते हैं कि income increase होती है and then your consumption demand increases because your disposable income increases, so that got impacted. हालांकि recently again monetary policy committee ने announce भी किया कि जो लिक्विडिटी डेफिसिट फेस करने को मिल रहा है ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ द बैंक्स, उसके रिगार्डिंग जो कैश रिजर्व रेशियो था उसको रिड्यूस किया गया टू 4%. अर्लियर इट वाज 4.5%. सो दैट माइट हेल्प अगेन द बैंकिंग सेक्टर. बट वो डायरेक्टली एग्रीगेट डिमांड को कैसे इम्पैक्ट करेगा, दैट इज अगेन, अगर करेगा भी तो दैट इज नॉट अ डायरेक्ट इम्पैक्ट एंड उसमें टाइम लैग ज्यादा एग्जिस्ट करता है. Similarly, trade growth has been impacted because of again the regional wars, or जो external growth है, they have we can say कि they have declined. Uncertainties increase हुई है, not just because of regional wars but also because of climate change. And also the volatility of the exchange rate. Rupee has been facing constant pressure. It has been weakening. It has been depreciating. And in this context, we have again seen that how RBI has been intervening in the market by selling dollars. But again, like so far, RBI has sold approximately $100 billion in the market. So that has also impacted our forex reserves. And to what extent can RBI sell the US dollars also has certain limitations on it. So these are certain, we can say, structural factors which have also impacted the slowing down of the growth. And the growth projections for this financial year, again, it is between 6.5 to 7%. So in the upcoming budget, we might see certain, or we should see certain areas which can help us in boosting the growth, where rural sector will be, it should play an important role because there the demand remains resilient compared to even the urban sector. Inflation front, when it comes to the farm sector, outlook again seems optimistic because inflation expectations also plays very important role in terms of deciding the demand in the economy and also the future prospects for investment.